गुबारे राह हो या शोलाए चिराग सहर, जो चल पड़ा तो फिर लौट कर ना देख. January 26th is more than just a day on the calendar. It is the soul of a nation, the voice of its people, and the celebration of the Constitution that binds us all in unity, equality, and liberty. Honorable Vice Chancellor of AMU, the respected Registrar, dignitaries of the dais, distinguished alumni, invited guests, teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to one and all. Today, as we gather to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India, let us take a moment to reflect on the significances of this occasion. On this day in 1950, India's constitution came into effect, transforming our nation into a sovereign, socialist, secular, and a democratic republic. It is not just a document, but the soul of our democracy, embodying the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The making of the Indian Constitution was a monumental task that required immense vision, patience, and determination. After gaining independence, in the year 1947, India stood at a crucial juncture. It was a nation newly freed from colonial rule, bearing the deep scars of partition and grappling with poverty, illiteracy, and communal tension. To create a constitution that would govern such a diverse and complex nation was no small feat. Our nation, often referred to as Sangam of languages, religion, and cultures, needed a framework that ensured unity without compromising cultural and regional identities. The framing of our constitution has been the cornerstone of India's journey as a thriving democracy. In the early years of independence, it provided a framework to integrate diverse regions, abolish social evils, and uphold justice and equality for all. It empowered us to overcome challenges and build a unified nation. Even in the modern times, it continues to guide us, adapting to changing needs while safeguarding our democratic values. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contribution to the framing of the Indian Constitution is unparalleled and foundational. His deep understandings of social hierarchies and his unwavering commitment to eradicating untouchability and caste-based discrimination led to the inclusive of vision that guaranteed fundamental rights for all its citizens, particularly for the marginalized communities. Furthermore, women like Sarojini Naidu, Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay, and Hansa Mehta actively participated in the discussions, making invaluable contribution to the framing of the Indian Constitution. The collective efforts of Dr. Ambedkar and the women leaders underscored the inclusive vision of the Constitution, ensuring that it would not only guarantee justice, but also foster an India where all its citizens, irrespective of their gender or social status, could thrive with dignity and opportunity. The Constitution of India has played a pivotal role in driving technological and overall developments by fostering an environment of innovation, equity, and progress. By guaranteeing fundamental rights such as the right to education and equality, it has empowered its citizens to assess opportunities in science, technology, and research. The founding fathers envisioned India as a welfare state. However, as India progressed, this vision did not fully trickle down to all layers of society. As we celebrate Republic Day, let us honor the vision of those who crafted our Constitution, a beacon of justice, equality, and liberty. Today, we are the guardians of their dream, responsible for nurturing it for future generations. Let us reform our commitments to uphold the values of our Constitution and work towards building an India that stands as a symbol of hope and progress. Each of us have a role to play in shaping our nation's future. Together, let us rise above challenges, embody unity, and carry forward the legacy of those who fought for our freedom. मिट्टी से है आसमां तक का सफर हमारा, जितनी चाह है उतनी मंजिल भी पास है हमारे. जय हिंद.
चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें.